So hello everyone. Today we'll be solving the probability question named Lucky Candy. And the question is basically, how do you place 50 good candies and 50 rotten candies in two boxes such that if you choose a box at random and take out a candy at random, it better be good. We need to maximize the probability of getting a good candy when selecting a random box and a random candy from it. So let's start with the first case. We consider box 1 and box 2. And in box 1, let's place all the good candies, 50 good candies. And in box 2, let's place all the bad ones. So the probability here becomes half into 1 and basically 0. So it's 0.5 here. The probability is 50%. Let's consider one more case. So if we place 25 good candies and 25 bad ones here and the rest 25 good candies here, the probability will again be 50%. It will be 1 by 4, it will be 1 by 4, then half, then 50% probability will again be there. Now let me show you another case. We need to maximize the probability for good candy. So let's consider we place single good candy in box 1 and all the other candies in box 2. It will become 49 upon 99 and total probability will be half into 1 plus half into 49 divided by 99. So I've already calculated it would be 0.5 here plus this will be 0.2474. It becomes around 0.7474, which is 74.74%. Okay, let me show you another case that's important for understanding the whole concept. Let's say we consider box 1, box 2, and let's say box 1 has 2 good candies and box 2 has the rest of them, the 48 upon 98. Probability here it will become half into 1, so here is absolute, we have all good candies, and will be half upon half into 48 upon 98. So this will become 0.5 plus this I have already calculated, it will be around 0.2449, which will be 0.7449, and the probability will be 74.49%. As you can see, the probability start decreasing here from 74.74 to 74.49. So the maximum probability condition is this, that box 1 has 1 good candy and box 2 has 49 other good candies. Thank you.